Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma and I am a second year student of MED Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and my today's topic is uh, in my today's topic and in present I am working as a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. And my today's topic is does right to life include right to die? So we start with our topic. The right to die is a concept which is based on the opinion that a human being is entitled to make any decision about ending his or her life. Possession of this right is often understood to mean that a person with the terminal illness or without the will to continue living should be allowed to their own life or to decline life prolonging treatment. The primary question that arises is whether people should have right to die and what may be a principle justifying such right. To live is a basic and natural right of a human being. In India, it is fundamental right guaranteed under Article 21, that is Part 3 of the Constitution of India. To state that no person shall be deprived of his life or liberty except according to procedure established by law. The fundamental right confers an obligation on the state to ensure good quality of life, livelihood, liberty, and a dignified life to the people, both citizen and otherwise. A right to life has been interpreted by the uh, Indian judiciary in various ways so as to include within its purview several new rights such as right to live with human dignity, right to livelihood, right to shelter, right to privacy, right to food, right to education to get pollution-free air and water to and water and some other rights which are quite essential to improve conditions of the life of the people. That is further to enjoyment of right to life. The question that the right to life can include within its ambit the right not to live or the right to die is that has been debated in several cases. Death can be defined as the termination of life. Death can be categorized between any two kind, natural and unnatural. That it can be caused by the action as well as inaction of the person, causing the extinction of a life unnaturally by the action of oneself over himself or over someone else is morally bad as well as legally punishable. Every living being in this world want to live a long life and by every possible means want to increase the longevity of their lives, and promoting end of such life is not intended result of the right. Analysis of right to die. One where to undertake a Ophidian analysis of this right, the jural correlative brought the question would be right and duty. To him, every right is corresponding duty. This means that if X has right to die, then Y has the duty to kill him. This, as well as we know, is not the case. The IPC under section 300 and 302 punished killing or murder of another person. Then what the right to die comprise of? When the Indian judiciary looked at this subject matter, it saw a lot of quiz discussing section 309 of the IPC, that is abatement of suicide undergoing the above analysis. If the right to die means that X has the right to commit suicide, then Y will have the duty to help him to do, and that Y is not correct conclusion to draw. The scope of the right to die is in India extend to only allowing terminally ill patient or their family to the person die with the dignity. Here, if X has a right to die with the dignity, he will terminally ill. Y or state a duty to let him exercise his right. As the case of committing suicide, though through section 309 of IPC was recently held to the arbitrary as well as state withdrew the prior punishment for person who attempted suicide. The state still does not promote suicide. The state merely abstains from criminalizing it, understanding that such is a matter of mental health. John Locke, among the other publishers, stated that the person has the right to their life, liberty, and property, and by that logic, argument arises that if one has the absolute right to life, then they must also be given the right to decide if they want to die or if they want to end their life in case of terminal illness. Several arguments of legalizing uh, enthusiasm have uh, enthusiasm have enthusiasm. I forgot. Next, we continue with another point. The family member of the dying patient are relieved of the physical, emotional, economic, and mental state upon them. It also provides the comfort to the patient and causes relief of the pain. So, thank you, friends. I hope that you liked my video. And if you have any problem related to the topic, please let me know in the comment section. I will figure out your problem. And uh, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.